we're still hunting. But like I said before, we are avoiding a situation of just bringing in players because out of desperation, you know. This time around we did our homework and look back, as to how we brought in players and the way we want to play. And the way we want to play even in the future, because the game is evolving, we don't only think about now. So we're trying by all means to make sure right now that when we bring in a player, we're bringing a player that will come in and add value. So we scrutinize everything, we go deeper and deeper.
Ya uqala ngibonga ithuba lokuthi ngivotele nami ukuthi ngibe ku-starting 11. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kuma supporters we-Chiefs and as iqembu si-ready ukuzodlala le game and sesizilungiselele. Ngicabanga ukuthi umqhudelwano omuhle kakhulu and siyabonga nathi ukuthi sithole opportunity yokudlala kwana. So bashaya futhi. Sizithembe thina ama players wethu, we know what we have and sizokwenza sure ukuthi we compete.